Hello, Chef Christopher Carey, coming again from the Columbia College Culinary Department. One of our classes, the grains class, many of the students ask about what other types of grains can we cook. And one of the ones that I really enjoy cooking with is quinoa. Quinoa has been around for a very, very long time. The Incan culture has been using and eating quinoa for about 3,000 years. Quinoa comes in different colors. This one is the gold, there's a black, and there is also a red. We cook it like rice. So we put the amount of quinoa that we want to cook. We do twice the amount of water, a little bit of salt. We bring it up to boil, lower it to a simmer, and allow it to cook for anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes. You can also replace the water with milk and cook it exactly the same way. Very nutritious, and it's a great way to start off your morning. Add some blueberries, a little bit of honey, and what you have is a wonderful fiber-packed, protein-packed start to your day.